I would really appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and share the video. Without no further ado, let's get it. What's good? What's good, YouTube? Um, it is your boy Neo. I'm back again with another video. You know what I'm saying? So today's video, man, it is basically a weekly market overview. I'm saying so. Um, it's been a long time. You know what I'm saying I've posted on this on my channel, and so yeah, man, I'm back. I'm back again. So I'll be dropping like maybe two or one, maybe twice or once a week. You know what I'm saying videos. You know what I'm saying so I'll be dropping um minimum one video a week. You know what I'm saying so so this video I'll be analyzing GBPJPY. You know what I'm saying? I'll be analyzing GBPJPY. So yeah, man. Look, I'll be analyzing and then like looking for looking for I'll be analyzing and like to find opportunities for next week trading. You know what I'm saying for next week. So yeah, let me actually um go to the weekly time frame real quick. On weekly time frame we can actually see that we bullish, right? Sorry. As you can see we are eventually bullish. You know what I'm saying so let me actually remove all the let me actually remove the GBPJPY drawings. So on GBPJPY we can eventually see that we are obviously like bullish. You know what I'm saying we are obviously like bullish, and yeah, so even though we're bullish, so obviously we'll be looking for like um buy opportunities and all that. You know what I'm saying so yeah, so as you can see we are obviously bullish. So right now we are just going to look for so our buys. We are eventually bullish, right? So as you can see right here, we eventually had this other block right here, right? Sorry, eventually had this other block right here. Let me actually raise. We eventually had that other block. That price did actually break and retest that level right there. And then so as you can see right here, we eventually had this swing high right here, right? We eventually had this swing high, and then as you can see, price did actually push to the upside and breaking that swing high, right? So our price did actually break that swing high, so we'll be eventually looking on weekly. We'll be eventually looking for a swing low to appear, maybe around this area right here, or maybe after we break that high right there. So we don't know what price do actually. So let me actually show you the date. So as you can see, today it is Saturday, April of the 6th. You know what I'm saying? So today is a little bit cloudy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So let's actually go to a daily time frame. Daily time frame. So on daily time frame we can eventually see that we can eventually see that we have more process view on the market. So on daily time frame we can eventually see that we eventually had this high recently broken, right? Eventually had this high recently broken right here. So let me actually put it. So eventually that high recently broken, and then as you can see, let me actually clone this one right here, should clone this one right here. So we eventually have liquidity on those highs. We eventually have equal highs right there. So I think that will be our next round liquidity. And then obviously, like on daily, we eventually had this gap right here, this favorite gap right here. Like this is eventually like this favorite gap right here, and then price D actually fill up that gap right there. So we eventually have that gap right here, that gap right there. Oh shit. Eventually have that gap right there. So as you can see, price D actually um fill up that gap, right? It eventually came back to that gap right there, right? And then as you can see right here, price D actually respect this other block. Let me see, do this. Damn. Eventually in other block right here. Let me zoom in. Eventually that other block right there. So I think that's why price do actually respect that level. And we eventually have many touches on that. You know what I'm saying, we eventually have this first touch, and then we eventually have this first touch right here, and we got a rejection right here, and then another rejection right here. So basically this is like a sensitive level right here. This is like a support level right here. So right now you can eventually see, like, we have a lot of liquidity on GJ dog. Now we have a lot of liquidity, so eventually have these equal highs again right here. Eventually like put them. Okay, so it's very like important for you to like easily spot liquidity, you know what I'm saying? So these are relative equal highs. Shit, why am I doing this here? Okay, so these are sorry, relative equal. So let me real quick check on weekly. So okay, cool. Oh shit. So yeah. So just fill that gap right there. Fill up that gap right there, and then we eventually respected this all block right here. And then even on this section right here, let me show you this price action right here. Even this price action right here, you eventually have, it is more likely to be this price action right here. This price action right here. So as you can see, price they actually come back. Price they actually come back to this gap right here. So let me actually cater for that gap right there. Price they should come back to that gap right there. And okay, cool. Price do actually respect this level right here, right? You can see this level, that level right there. So let me actually remove that gap right there. So I'm gonna just put this level. You can see price they actually respect this level right here. So it is a little bit rainy outside, but damn, I don't know how the audio will be like on this video. But yeah, let me actually continue. Let me actually still see still playing. So let me quickly like finish the video because like it's about to this rain is about to like be stronger right now. So um So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, we on 4 hour time frame we can eventually see that we damn on 4 hour time frame we can eventually see that we had a ranging market right here. So I'm not gonna cater for that right now, but even have this swing low right here, so price the issue come back to this swing low and take this liquidity resting over here and over here, took out this low and this low right here. So price the actually pushed to the upside respecting that daily or block, and we eventually have this high right here that price the issue take, and then these equal relative equal highs right here that price the actually take again. So our target is obviously like this equal highs right here and then that high right there, right? So there's liquidity everywhere, dog. There's liquidity everywhere. So eventually um this is more likely that gap we had on daily. We had this gap again, and price will actually respect this low right here, this zone right here. So let me actually cater for that zone. So I eventually like missed this trade, but I wanted to enter this trade right here, but it wasn't the session, so I just left it out. And then the reason again is that I lost the trade on NFP. On Yeah, I lost the trade on NFP. It is my stop loss, and then it went straight to TP on USDJPY. So on USDJPY, I'll actually make a different video on that pair. But right now I'm just focusing on this pair on this video. You know what I'm saying? So basically, our next draw liquidity will be these highs right here, right? So so let me actually go. So as you can see again, we eventually have this gap right here. So we have many conflicts that price is actually pushing to upside. The buys is that we are actually bullish, and then the content, and then the narrative is that we actually come off by this zone right here. So we are actually going to the next draw on liquidity right there. So going to the 1 hour time frame. So let me actually, oh shit, what's wrong with my phone, dog? Damn. So let's actually go to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, what I saw and how I missed this trade. So actually explain real quick. So I eventually as you can see, shit, my phone is jamming right now. So as you can see right here, we eventually had liquidity void right here. That price the issue come back to this level and then took out this gap right here, filled up this gap, and then so we are eventually targeting to fill up this gap, right? So eventually, as you can see, price the issue come back to this level and then didn't actually break this high, creating equal highs right there, and price the issue come back to respect this 30 minutes gaps right here, to fill up the 30 minutes gaps, and then price the issue push to the upside, right? And then as you can see right here, so as you can see, price the issue take liquidity on these highs right here. So because of that, we are going to Monday, so we will be actually coming back to this to fill up these gaps right here, or price will actually push to the upside, right? So we want to see, we'll actually see price will actually consolidate, like come to fill up this week right here and create some optimal trade entry, and we eventually looking for price to actually push to the upside. um so yeah, I think so yeah, let's go to 30 minutes. 30 30 minutes, we actually, in 30 minutes, let me actually cater for that gap, for that gap here. So we have this gap, and we have that gap that price the issue fill, and we have another gap right here. Fifth gap right there. Look, this is also like liquidity by some shit. Um. Yeah. So as you can see, price is obviously like showing weakness right here. So this is a price is like this price action is showing weakness right here. So price will eventually, as you can see right here, price they actually take liquidity on these relative equal highs, right? So we'll be eventually looking for price to actually come back, maybe around this level right here. Maybe come to downside, create some opportunity entry, and then we'll be eventually looking for price to actually push to the upside, right? So if we go to 15 minutes, on 15 minutes, you can see we actually have this ascending channel right here. So this is a relative equal ascending channel, right? So we'll be looking for price to eventually like create some alternative entry or some shit like that. But yeah, man, I'm looking to like see what the market will give us on GBPJPY. So let me actually cater for the coming days right now. And okay, so this like was on Sunday. It's gonna be Sunday, and on like Monday right here, Monday 12 a.m. and then Tuesday 12 a.m. right. Um, Tuesday 12 a.m. So down there the time I'm using is like GMT plus 2. um I'm in South Africa. I'm in South African trader type shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm in South Africa, that's why I'm using like the GM2 plus, you know what I'm saying? So if you're a South African trader, you can eventually like go to these settings. Let me see, you can like just double tap on the candles right here. um Actually show you. So you can eventually go to let me actually look for it. I don't know, like yo, on the symbols chart settings, you can actually go to chart settings, and then the time zone is UTC plus 2. Basically is Johannesburg. So yeah, I'm in Johannesburg. So yeah, so I'm using that time zone, actually like that. So yeah, I'll be looking for price to eventually like come back to this area right here. So basically I'll be looking for price to eventually start the day with bullishness, or maybe like consolidate like consolidate throughout, you know what I'm saying, like me right here, and then price will actually start to drop, create the high of the day, eventually create the high of the day, and then yeah. So I think this is like the end of the video. So I'll be stay tuned for the next video. I'll be doing some analysis on USD JPY, you know what I'm saying? So basically these videos will be released maybe like tomorrow Sunday, I'm saying on Sunday. So right now let me just edit this video, and then I'll get back to you. I'll just edit this video and make like the USD JPY analysis again. So yeah, man, like see you. So let me actually try to predict the market. I'm looking for price to eventually start like eventually like bullish, but it will eventually like consolidate and shit. And price will actually come back to this liquidity void, create some opportunity entry, and then I'll be looking for price to eventually damn. So I'll be looking for price to eventually push to the upside, checking that like the liquidity right there. Right. So I don't know like how many pips to make should calculate the pips and shit. So maybe like relatively like around here or some shit. Maybe like around here, but I don't know. let's see, man. Oh shit, it's like shit. I did like 100 pips. Shit, you should see. Damn, what the fuck am I doing? This shit. Like 150 pips. Like 120 pips, I think. But it will go a little bit. Damn. So we gonna see, man. Like shit. But I'll be eventually like looking for this trade. So maybe I'll be doing some live trades and shit like that. But I think I'll do some screen record, and so yeah. And I think I'll be posting it on the next video I make. Yeah, man. So maybe you could like stay tuned on my Instagram account. You know what I'm saying, on my Instagram. So I'll put the link on the description for my Instagram and shit like that. So yeah, follow me down below on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description for Instagram. You know what I'm saying? So if you want, if you if you all want like a Telegram group, just comment down below. I'll just make a Telegram group for traders to like share trades and like, you know what I'm saying. I'll just post my point of view on such markets. You know what I'm saying. And yeah, man. So if you want me to analyze another pair, if you want me to analyze any pair you want, just tell me. Just comment down below. I'll just make a video of it. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, peace.